After doing today's daily LeetCode and my brain being absolutely fried, I wanted to come back and do a few easies just to calm myself. Granted, I should start doing more mediums, and I'll get to that. The relevance of this problem is that it appears in Top Interview 150. So these are the 150 top interview questions. Question number 169, majority element. Given an array nums of size n, just return the majority element. You could assume that a majority element always exists, and it appears more than n over 2 times. This problem is also pretty relevant because of today's LeetCode Daily. Um, I just learned about a counter object, which returns count of lists or strings, right? So we could use that and also use a function called most common, which basically sorts keys by decreasing value. So the most often or most occurring elements would appear in the very top of the list, right? After calling most common on this list, the B would go to the very front, and these two would stay in place because it gets sorted. All we have to do is sort it by most common, and then we could return this element right here. Actually, as a matter of fact, we're going to have to return the key that it's associated with, which is going to be a number for our problem. Sweet. Let's type out the solution. I'd go ahead and do counter of nums and assign it to a value called count. And we could call most underscore common right here. This should, if I print this out, let me return a random integer for now. Yeah, so it sorts 3 appearing 2 times and then 2 appearing 1 time, correct? Now all I need to do is print count of 0, which should give me count of 0. Does that give me the, yeah, perfect. So this is our return value. This is the first element of our first tuple that we return. And that should hopefully work. Perfect. Thank you guys for watching. Hope this was a pretty straightforward solution. Seems like a lot of people did it some in more complicated ways using literal counters, but this should be one of, if not the most optimal solutions to return majority element in 2 lines. Anyways, have a great rest of your day, and thank you for watching.